Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Ninja Gaiden 4 crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So here follow the fixes. The first fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4. After following all 4 steps, you can check if your problem is fixed or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each step. So here we go. First step is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to your Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2 is to clear Ninja Gaiden 4 cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for Ninja Gaiden 4 game and highlight it, then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile. Make sure you click delete from console when deleting. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. Go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see these features in your Xbox console, then skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. Go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. After following all 4 steps, now you can launch Ninja Gaiden 4 and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you have the problem and then remove it. Now add your account. After adding your account, launch Ninja Gaiden 4 and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3, manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual, click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Then restart your console and then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and see which one work for you. Fix 4 is to run Ninja Gaiden 4 from store instead of running the game from Xbox home. So to do this, type Ninja Gaiden 4 in the search bar and click on it and then click on launch game and check. Fix 5 is to change DNS server. Go to your Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual. Enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS. Now save it and then launch the game again and check. Now if that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS type 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS type 1.0.0.1 and save it and then relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to reinstall Ninja Gaiden 4. Now if nothing seems to work, then the last solution is to simply uninstall Ninja Gaiden 4 from Xbox console, then restart your console and then you can reinstall the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So these were some of the fixes that can help you to solve Ninja Gaiden 4 crashes at a startup, not launching, won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on Xbox console. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.